cybersecurity is no longer limited to firewalls and antivirus tools. Today, it is built on multiple specialized domains working together. In this video, we'll explore 4 critical cybersecurity domains: SOC, GRC, penetration testing, and cloud security, and understand how they protect organizations in today's digital world. Cybercrime is causing massive financial damage globally, with losses running into billions of dollars every year. Countries like India are among the most targeted by cyber attackers. To defend against modern threats, organizations rely on multiple cybersecurity domains that work together to create a layered and resilient security strategy. A Security Operations Center, or SOC, is the heart of cybersecurity operations. It operates 24/7 to monitor, detect, analyze, and respond to cyber threats. SOC teams use technologies like SIEM, SOAR, and threat intelligence to quickly identify attacks and take action before damage occurs. In the real world, SOCs play a critical role in protecting organizations. For example, many Indian banks use advanced SOCs to detect fraud, ransomware, and data breaches in real time. This proactive monitoring helps prevent financial losses and protects customer trust. GRC focuses on the strategic side of cybersecurity. Governance defines security policies and leadership responsibility. Risk management identifies vulnerabilities and reduces potential impact. Compliance ensures organizations follow laws and regulations such as the IT Act, GDPR, and RBI guidelines. GRC helps organizations balance security with business goals. It ensures accountability at leadership levels and helps companies make informed decisions about cybersecurity investments, legal compliance, and long-term risk reduction. Penetration testing, also known as ethical hacking, involves simulating cyber attacks to identify weaknesses before real attackers exploit them. This includes testing networks, applications, and even human behavior through social engineering. For fast-growing IT and financial sectors, especially in India, regular penetration testing is essential. It helps organizations meet compliance requirements, protect sensitive data, and improve overall security by fixing vulnerabilities early. Cloud security focuses on protecting data and systems hosted in cloud environments. This includes strong identity and access management, data encryption, and continuous monitoring to detect misconfigurations and suspicious activities. As cloud adoption increases across startups and enterprises, securing cloud environments is critical. Without proper cloud security, sensitive data can be exposed, leading to breaches, compliance violations, and loss of customer trust. These cybersecurity domains do not work in isolation. Penetration testing identifies vulnerabilities, SOC monitors and responds to threats, GRC defines policies and risk priorities, and cloud security protects modern infrastructure. Together, they form a strong, unified defense strategy. To conclude, SOC, GRC, penetration testing, and cloud security form the foundation of a strong cybersecurity strategy. Investing in these domains helps organizations protect data, maintain trust, and stay resilient against evolving cyber threats. Cybersecurity is not optional, it's essential for a secure digital future.